Hi guys, my name is Max and I live in Koh Lanta, south of Thailand. I am doing a vlog about life here on the island and about Thailand in general. And occasionally, like today, I am doing a tech gear vlog. I just got a new wireless microphone. I'm excited to test it, so I'm gonna do unboxing today. Next time I will put it into test. So if you like this kind of vlog, please consider subscribing and let's get into it. Let's open the box and see what's inside. So this is the microphone. I got the option of 2 transmitters and 1 receiver, which should be very good for interviewing people and making videos where 2 people are talking. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, let's look what we got here. So this is the receipt from the online shop. I'm in Thailand, so I paid for this 6,600 Thai baht. Okay, so let's look what we got here. Oh, very nice case. See how to open this. Oh, here we go. So what's this? Oh, this is the manual. Some stickers. Manual. Let's throw this away for now. A SIM card pick. Saramonic registration. Quality certificate. Okay. Here we got the transmitters. Saramonic Blink 500 transmitter. So we got 2 transmitters with the clips, which we clip onto our body, and there's a microphone built in. Or we can use, there should be a lavalier microphone provided. So you can clip this to your t-shirt or whatever and talk directly use directly this microphone. Or you can put it on your belt or in your pocket and then plug in the cable, mic cable with the lavalier, and clip the lavalier to your close to your neck, so you can easily and clearly talk to it. We will test it in the next video. Oh, this is the volume, plus minus. Okay, so that's the transmitters. And this is the receiver, which you will put on the camera and then plug it. There should be oh, this is a nice case. Here should be all the cables. Oh, this is the, I believe this is the charger for the USB-C cable, USB. Yep, this is the charger for the transmitter. I believe this is the cable to plug the receiver into the camera. Yep. Also we got 3 chargers for each one. So we got 3 chargers. Two transmitters, 1 receiver, and 3 chargers. 2 cables to plug it in with different connectors, different shape of connectors. And we got 2 lavalier microphones with a clip. So this microphone is an alternative to Rode Wireless Go. I was actually deciding between the Rode Wireless Go and the Saramonic, but Saramonic won because it can have 2 transmitters and they are including the lavalier. If you get a Rode Wireless Go, you have to buy the lavalier separately. So guys, I have finally managed to pair the transmitter and the receiver. So now I can talk from anywhere. I can be anywhere. I can be 5 meters from the camera, I can be 10 meters from the camera, but you can still hear me very well. The sound should be crispy. But more about this I will do in the next video, which is going to be testing the range of the wireless microphone. So let's wait and see for the next video how it's gonna do in the test. So thank you for watching today's video, guys. I hope you enjoy. I hope you can understand my English, because this is my first vlog in English language. Actually, I have been doing vlogs in Czech language with English subtitles, so I decided it's better to switch to English because most of my subscribers are from United States. So let's see how the people are gonna react. So if you like this video, please leave some comments, share, subscribe, and see you in the next one.